I've installed about 5 or 6 toilets, and I wish I had known about this before I did it. This is a flange that does not require a wax ring. If you're installing a toilet or if you need to replace a flange, let me share my experience with you because I am really impressed with this flange. For one, it comes with all the hardware you need to install it, and it even comes with these little spacers. So if you have kind of a gap between your floor and your subfloor, you can use these spacers to elevate it to the exact height of your floor, because you always want your flange to be installed on the floor and not the subfloor. I just finished renovating my bathroom, and one of the problems I had was the existing flange. It was broken, I couldn't use it, and trying to get it off was such a pain because it was glued onto the pipe, so I had to do everything I could to get it off. It was so annoying. And as I was browsing for Amazon for a new flange, I came across this one where you don't have to glue anything, and I was so excited. And not only that, but it said you didn't have to use a wax ring. Pretty skeptical, but I wanted to try it out. It's not expensive, so I thought, hey, let's try this out, see how it goes. So how this works is it has kind of a rubber seal under the flange. You stick your hand through it, you kind of get the rubber seal wet, put it in the pipe, then you let go of the rubber seal. It kind of sinks into place. You can push it down and you can twist it a little bit, but that provides a seal to the pipe in case of backflow. I did install this in my basement where it's concrete, and it came with concrete anchors. I don't think it lists the size of drill bit you need to use, but I used, I believe, a 1/4 inch drill bit and then put the anchors in there. That seemed to work fine. When you line up the flange, you want to make sure that the screws going up are perpendicular to the wall. And here's what's really cool about the flange. I just finished renovating my bathroom. The reason I renovated my bathroom was so I could install a new toilet in it, but the new toilet was a tankless toilet. It has a different size, and my house is an older home, and the pipe that feeds the water to the toilet ended up being in the way of installing the toilet, and I didn't know if the toilet was going to fit or not. So I didn't want to install a wax ring just to find out that I had to take the toilet out and put another toilet back in. So when I saw this flange, I'm like, okay, this is perfect. I can try it out. If it doesn't work, I don't have a wax ring getting everything messy, but if it does work, great. So I put the toilet in, and sure enough, the pipe was in the way. I could put the toilet in, but with the toilet in, I couldn't reach the knob to turn the water back on. But because the flange has this rubber seal around it, I could rotate the toilet, turn the water on, rotate the toilet back. Still a little bit crooked, but it totally works. No mess, no leaks, no wax seal. As far as the installation process goes, I can't recommend this enough. Such a cool flange. As far as how long it lasts and how well it's going to work over time, I honestly have no idea. I am a bit nervous about it. I don't see any reason why it would fail or be any worse than a wax ring. One thing I really appreciate it more than a wax ring is when I put the toilet down, you can actually kind of feel the toilet falling into place, because with a wax ring, it just kind of like smushes into place, and you kind of feel like, yeah, it's probably set perfectly, but it's hard to tell with the wax ring because of how much wax is just kind of in the way. With the rubber seal, the toilet just kind of, once it was in the hole, it just plop, toilet's completely level. If I rotate the toilet, it's not moving the wax or anything. It's perfectly sealed, perfectly in the hole. Awesome flange. I don't know why I made a video this long about a flange, but if you're installing a toilet, you want to check out something cool, check this one out.